Hi, welcome once again to Air Engine Research. The last few days I don't really have much to show. I've got 4 or 5 things that I'm working on at the same time, and it's kind of slow, but I am making some progress. I've got a number of items that I've got on order that when I get those in, some things will go a little quicker for me. I've got one valve completely made, but I don't have the 3/8 pipe plugs that I need to finish making it. I've got another one that I'm working on right now. I've got it, actually I've got it done. I've got all the holes drilled in it. I just haven't put it away yet. That one goes over here. Now I've got 2 more that I'm working on. This is my pattern, so it's just set here for right now. I'm also trying to come up with a different way of doing my valves. Like I showed you in the other video, this thing used to be on here to make the thing work going around and around. Now it's just a cam that it'll turn and push and pull the valve stems. I think that'll work a lot better. Yeah. Also, let's see, I'm working on a pressure flow regulator. I've got a pressure regulator, but it does not allow enough air to come through to run the vehicle properly. So I have an idea to make what I will be calling a flow regulator. It'll have a tank, connections, a cylinder, and a valve. When the pressure comes into the tank, goes into the valve up to a certain pressure, and then it pushes the valve shut. If you start running the engine, the pressure will drop in the tank, which will allow the cylinder to go backwards, and the valve opens to allow air into the tank and run the vehicle. I first have to make sure, though, that it's safe. I have to have something so in case one of the lines break, that it just doesn't go wild with 2 or 3, 4,000 psi air pressure come blowing out everywhere. I don't have that quite worked out yet. Other than that, I had to fix a tire on the lawnmower the other day. It would go down all the time, so I didn't want to have to keep pumping it up every time I wanted to try running it. Well, I just wanted to let you know that I'm still at it. Yesterday I couldn't really do anything till I had the aluminum that I went and got so that I could make a few more of the valves. That aluminum is very expensive. I got a 2-foot piece of aluminum that's 1 inch thick, 2.5 inches wide, and 2 foot long. Cost me $43. It doesn't take long using up 2 or 3 or 4 foot of aluminum and run into some pretty big expense. Well, I guess for today, I'm going to continue working on laying out the valves, and maybe I'll get another 1 or 2 done today. So I can at least say I've made some progress. So thanks for checking in, and sorry I can't show anything more exciting, but that's the way it is some days. So until next time, thank you for checking in. Any new subscriber, if you'd like to watch what I'm doing, subscribe please, and check that little bell up at the top. You'll be notified whenever I do finally get something to show.